I am Professor Kaushik Patel from GIDC Degree Engineering College. In previous video, we have seen what is SQLite and how we can create the database. Just I summarize that. So SQLite is the open source, it's a relational database, it is inbuilt with the Android Studio, it is a text file, extension of this text file is DB, and most important feature is there is no need any server because it is a local database. So there is no need to any JDBC ODBC connection. And to working with database, we have to use SQLite Open Helper class. Today we have see how we can create the table. In database table, we have a 4-column ID, name, subject and marks. So by calling this DB helper, that is nothing but constructor, just call this constructor and automatically this database will be created. Now to create a table, there is a method onCreate. So here we have a two method, onCreate and onUpgrade method. In onCreate method, in this we have a argument SQLite database and DB is a variable of this SQLite database. So just DB dot, in that there is a method as execute SQL, or you can say exec SQL. So in this method we have to pass a query of create table. So in exec SQL you can run any query. So in this method we have to run create table query. So write query, it is in form of string, so I have it is in inverted comma. So create table and table name. So here table name is gdeck underscore table. Just I copy this and so we can concatenate this with the help of plus operator. So create table name. After that we have to pass this column. So first column is ID. So if you want to write this C1, C2, C3, then also it is okay. Here I directly write ID. So ID, then its type. This type is integer. ID integer, and it's a primary key. And if you want this as auto increment, then you have to write auto increment, then comma. Second column is name. And type for this field is text. Third one is the subject. And type is text, comma. Fourth column is marks. So here we have tag 4 column ID, name, subject and marks. It is also take type is text. So create table, table name, ID integer, primary key auto increment, name text, subject text, mark text. So this one is the query to create a table. So when you are working with a database, there are 4 steps. That is, first one is the connection, then second is create a database, third one is the create the table, and fourth one is to perform the query. So here first step is connection, but our database is local database, so there is no need to connection. And second step is to create the database. So by this calling this constructor, or by create the object of this constructor, this database will be created. And third step is this one, that is create the table. So this second step and third step is over. Now in on upgrade method, again we have used db dot exec sql drop table if exists, and then table name. So this one is the table name. So drop table if exists and table name. Again we have to call this on create method, then on create and pass this object db. So this will be called this on create method. To call this method, we have to create this SQLite database db is equal to this dot get. Here two methods are that get writable database, get readable database. So we have to write this database, so we have to use this get writable database semicolon. Now we have to switch to this page, main activity dot java page. So create the object of this db helper class, db helper, and for example name is db1. So we have create object of this db helper class. Now db1 is equal to new db helper, pass this object. So this one is initialize the constructor object, so it will be called automatically this method, and this database will be created, and after that it will be called this create table method. So when you run this page, it will be create a database as well as the table. So when you call this constructor, it will be create first database and then it will be create the table. So now we run this program, select, we have a virtual device, that is Genymotion. So okay, now build is running. So if it is successful, then so here there is nothing inside this, so by default it has a hello world, so it will be run successfully. Now so now how you can check whether your database create error or not, or what is the location of database. So open this device file explorer. Inside that device file explorer there is a folder data. So click on this folder data. So again there is a folder named data, data inside data. So again click on this folder data. Now find your project. So this one is the name of your package com.example. So this one, find this in device explorer. So this one is com.example.kausik.sqlite demo. So in that there is a folder database. So click on this database, and this one is your database studentinfo.db. So right click on this and click on save as, and save this in particular folder. So I have stored this inside the F drive. Now if you want to see the data inside the table, or you can see the database, so one more software you have to install, that is DB browser. This one is also a free software. Just download it and install. Now so open this database, just click on this open database. So click on F drive and select your database. So our database is student info. Open it, again click on browse data, and so in this you are able to see the table, and click on your table. Like that you are able to see your data.